Hi, today we're going to be working on this car radio. The touchscreen has gone completely nuts. Basically, it's just clicking, self-clicking all over the place, not reacting when you try to click. So let's get the front cover off the car radio, just a couple of screws around the bezel. Okay, with the front cover off, we have access to the ribbon cables. Unplug the ribbon cables. All we have to do now is unplug the cables from the display board and remove the LCD, and now we have access to the touchscreen. This touchscreen cost me about €7 from AliExpress, so definitely worth the fix. Remove the protective film. And then just put everything back the way it was. In goes the LCD. Okay, so with the board back, just plugging in the cables. 3 ribbon cables, 1 backlight cable, and obviously the cable going to the touchscreen. Back in the vehicle, got to plug in these 3 ribbon cables. The thin one's going to the SD card slots for navigation and media player. They're a little bit awkward to get to, but luckily the cables are long enough for me to be able to maneuver the screen into a good angle. Plugging in the final ribbon cable. Right, let's just give it some power, give it a test. Okay, so we don't have any self-clicking, that's a good sign. And it is responding to the touch. Okay, everything seems to be working normally now. Let's button things up, put the screws back in, put the trim back in place, and we'll call this a fix. Okay, we've got all the trim back in place. Everything is looking as good as it was before I took it apart. If you have any questions about this video, please leave a comment down below. Leave a like, subscribe if you haven't. It does help out the channel. Thanks for watching. Remember, there's always a fix, and we'll see you in the next one.